Hi, in this video I want to show you how to use tapping, not dancing, to calm down your emotions. Whether it's anxiety, fear, stress, or any emotion that you feel is overwhelming you at the moment. It can also be used for physical pain, limiting or false beliefs. There's actually a lot of uses for this. It's also called emotional freedom technique. I will put a link down this video to the tapping solution, to their website, where you can read a bit more about the science behind it, what you can use it for, how you can use it. But it's really powerful, and I often use this specifically for physical pain as well. Whenever I have a headache and I'm somewhere and I use this tapping, it really works very well. So just shortly, briefly to explain to you where this comes from, it's based on the Chinese medicine acupuncture, where you all know that they use needles on the specific meridian or pressure points to heal or to deal with those physical ailments. Now, research have found that you don't necessarily have to use needles. You can actually just tap on those pressure points, and it sends a signal to the brain, which basically eliminates the fear, that fight or flight response that your amygdala sends to your body. So very powerful, but I don't want to waste too much time on the science behind it, because I really want to show you today how to use this. So let me first start by showing you where those tapping points are that we're going to use today. So the first point is called the karate chop. So on the side of your hand, that's where we start the sequence. The second one is just inside your eyebrow, so you tap there. Then on the side of your eye, there's another spot. Then underneath your eye. Then just under your nose. Then on your chin, but not on your chin, just in that dent between your lip and your chin. The next spot is just below the collarbone. There's a soft spot there, you'll feel it. You tap there, and then we'll tap on the side on your ribs, so you can use all 4 fingers to tap on that spot, and then finally on the crown of your head. So those are the tapping spots that we'll use. So what do? Let's say, for example, you are very anxious about maybe presenting something or a meeting, whatever the case might be. So first rank your anxiety or the emotion that you are dealing with. Between 1 and 10, how strong does this feeling feel in your body? And notice also where you feel it in your body. So let's say it's extreme, it's at an 8. So write down that number 8, and then I want you to put your focus and attention on that feeling, where you feel it the most intensely. Whether you feel it in your throat, in your chest, the pit of your stomach, wherever you feel that emotion, put all your attention there. And then you start tapping. So while focusing on there, you start at the karate chop. And you tap there for a few seconds. Then you move to eyebrow. Still focusing on that emotion, on that feeling. Side of your eye. Then just below the eye. Under the nose. Chin, collarbone, ribs, top of your head. Then you go for a second round, but you don't have to start at the karate chop again. You can even have a positive affirmation while you do the tapping. You could, for example, say that I'm feeling better already. I feel calm and relaxed. I can breathe easily. I really start feeling better. I feel better already. You can use any affirmation you want while still focusing on that emotion in your body. Ribs, top of your head, and then take a deep breath in and out. And then I'd like you to take a moment and rank that feeling again. you might find it is only down to a 6, maybe a 4, even a 3 or a 2. So you give yourself a ranking again. And you do this process once again until you get to 1 or even a 0. And I promise you, even for physical pain, it is very powerful. This technique really works for me in so many ways. And there's so much you can do with this technique. Not only emotions, getting rid of your false beliefs, but that's a video for another day. So you can go onto their website, read a bit more about it, how it works, how you can apply it. It is a really, really powerful in-the-moment tool that you can use wherever you can. If you found this video helpful and you know of anybody that this video will really assist, please share it to them. Share it on WhatsApp, share it on Facebook, share it to them to see and to learn and to have tools to really help them throughout their days. And also subscribe to this channel for any other new videos that I have, and also click on that bell that you get notified every single time that I do post a new tool or technique, how to rewire your brain.